The road ahead calls me and you. Step by step we move on through. The morning light is warm and clear. The journey starts, the path is near. Morning light, it's a gravel low. Coffee strong, ready to go. Hands are rough, hearts beat free. Every mile writes our story. Dusty boots, worn jeans tied, chasing dreams from day to night. If the wind pushes, we won't fall. We ride together through it all. Can you feel it in the air? The road is calling, take us there. Through dust, sun and rain, we ride on. No restraint, side by side, hearts unchained. Every mile, strength regained. Neon signs fade in the night. The stars above shining bright. Every song recalls our fight. Every scar reflects our light. Twist and turn, the road runs long. We keep our pace, we stay strong. Every band's another test. We give it all, we give our best. Feel the pull beneath your skin. Let the journey now begin. Through dust, sun and rain, we ride on. No restraint, side by side, hearts unchained. Every mile, strength regained. Drop the beat, let it sing. Hard riffs cut, the fire ignites. Two voices burn with truth and flame. The night responds, the journey calls. Every road leads back the same. We push ahead, we give our all. Sunrise finds us still awake. The truth is clear, the earth will shake. What we build with calloused hands grows stronger with each stand. When silence tries to hold us down, we answer loud, reclaim the ground. Every track knows where we've been. Every mile calls us again. Breathe deep, lean in, hold tight. Let the engine roar tonight. Through